Wonders of nature. Wonders of natures. Introduction. The world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skills. Let's look at some of these wonderful of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spit water at bugs. The bugs fall into the water, where the archerfish catch and eat them. Trapdoor spiders. The trapdoor spiders live in a tunnel in the ground. Its home has a hidden door made of silk and dirt. The spiders hide in its tunnel to hunt. Beaver. Beavers chew through tree trunks. They make dams out of trees, mud, and stones. Camelot. Chameleons change color to hide themselves. They even change color to show how they feel. Flying dragon. Flying dragons have skin on their sides that opens like wings. They jump and glide from trees to trees. Leaf insect. The body parts of leafed insects look just like leaves. These animals blend in well with real leaves on tree. Leaf rolling weevil. The female leaf rolling weevil rolls a leaf into a cone. She lays her eggs inside the cone. The leaf hides and protects her eggs. Praying mantis. The praying mantis holds its front legs in a praying position. A mantis has 5 eyes to help it hunt for food. Mole digs tunnels to find and eat worms. These animals have tiny ears, but they are not blind. Sea dragon. Sea dragons are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leafy parts help them catch food and hide from enemies. Conclusion. Interesting animals come in many shapes and sizes. They are all wonders of nature.